The humid air greets you as you step out of the airport. Bangkok's energy is immediate and unforgettable. The city pulses with life at every hour, from the moment you arrive. You'll notice the buzz of tuk-tuks, the chatter of street vendors, and the vibrant colors that fill every corner. It's a sensory overload in the best way possible, and it sets the tone for the adventure ahead. Gold-leaf temples stand beside modern skyscrapers, a striking contrast that defines Thailand. Here, centuries-old traditions blend seamlessly with the fast pace of modern life. You can witness monks in saffron robes walking past neon-lit billboards, and ancient rituals unfolding just steps away from bustling shopping malls. Many dream of Thailand's beaches, but there's so much more. Ancient ruins, vibrant culture, and world-class food. From the crumbling temples of Ayutthaya to the sizzling street food stalls of Chiang Mai, every region offers something unique. The flavors, sights, and sounds are as diverse as the landscapes themselves. It's a country for every traveler, history buffs, foodies, adventurers, and those seeking relaxation. Whether you're wandering through bustling night markets, hiking lush jungles, or simply soaking up the sun on a quiet island, Thailand welcomes you with open arms. But the biggest worry for most? Money. Hidden costs and tourist traps can add up fast. It's easy to get swept up in the excitement and overspend, especially if you're not prepared for the little expenses that sneak up on you. The truth, Thailand can be incredibly affordable if you know a few key tricks. With a little planning, you can enjoy authentic experiences, delicious meals, and comfortable stays without breaking the bank. I've spent years here, learning how to stretch a budget without missing out. From hidden food stalls to local transport hacks, I've picked up tips that make every baht go further. Stick around. I'll share my top insider secret for cutting your travel costs in half and discovering a side of Thailand most tourists never see. Get ready to experience the real Thailand, beyond the postcards and the guidebooks. One of the fastest ways to lose money in Thailand is through bank fees. It's a hidden cost that catches many travelers off guard, especially if you're used to free withdrawals at home. Every time you use your home bank card at a Thai ATM, you're hit with a stack of charges. Local ATM fees, poor exchange rates, and sometimes even an extra fee from your own bank back home. These costs add up quickly, often without you realizing it. Just 10 withdrawals could easily cost you $60 or more. Money that could have gone toward a night in a boutique hotel, a street food feast, or a day trip to a tropical island. Most travelers simply accept these fees as part of the experience, but you don't have to. There's a smarter way to manage your money abroad. The solution is simple. Get a multi-currency travel card like Wise or Revolut before you leave home. These cards are designed for travelers and can save you a significant amount. Load your card with money, convert it to Thai baht at excellent exchange rates using the app, and withdraw cash with minimal fees. You can even top up your card on the go so you're never caught short. While you'll still pay the unavoidable local ATM fee, you dodge all the extra charges from your home bank and get more for your money. Plus, these cards work seamlessly for direct payments at hotels, restaurants, shops, and even for booking tours, making your trip smoother and more convenient. Setting up a travel card before you land is your first step to being a savvy, budget-conscious traveler in Thailand. It's a small effort that pays off big, letting you focus on the adventure ahead. Before you get swept up in adventure, handle the essentials. Check your passport. 6 months validity is a must. Research your visa requirements. Rules change, so check the official embassy site. Have proof of onward travel, just in case immigration asks. Travel insurance is non-negotiable. Hospital bills can be huge, and insurance protects you from disaster. Think of it as an investment in your safety. Pack light breathable clothes, sandals, swimsuit, hat, sunglasses, and a rain jacket. Buy cheap clothes locally if needed. Bring a reusable water bottle, power bank, and any medications with prescriptions. Essentials only. Thailand's markets have everything else. Get these basics right, and you're ready for anything. Thailand runs on cash, especially outside tourist hotspots. Use your travel card at ATMs for the best rates. Avoid airport exchange booths. Withdraw a little at the airport, then more in the city. For big purchases, use your travel card or a no-fee credit card. For connectivity, grab a local SIM or eSIM at the airport. Fast, cheap, and easy. Major providers offer tourist packages with plenty of data. You'll be online and ready to explore from the moment you land. Getting around Thailand is part of the fun. In Bangkok, the BTS SkyTrain and MRT subway are fast, clean, and air-conditioned. Taxis and grab rides are easy. Always insist on the meter or use the app for upfront pricing. Tuk-tuks are iconic, but agree on the price first, and watch for scams. For longer trips, domestic flights are cheap if booked early. Sleeper trains offer a classic scenic journey. Book ahead in peak season. Buses connect every town on a budget. Ferries take you to the islands. Choose larger boats if you get seasick. Always check the weather before boarding a boat. Renting a scooter is the ultimate freedom in Thailand, but safety comes first. Always wear a helmet. Buy your own if renting long-term. Inspect the scooter, document any damage, and never leave your passport as a deposit. Legally, you need a motorcycle license and international driving permit. Ignore this and you risk fines and void insurance. If you're not properly licensed, you could face huge bills after an accident. Stick to reputable rental shops that accept a passport copy and cash deposit. Respect the rules and local traffic. Thailand's roads can be chaotic. A scooter opens up hidden gems, but only if you ride smart. Don't let carelessness ruin your trip. Freedom is great. Responsibility is essential. Understanding Thai culture makes your trip smoother and more rewarding. Smile, stay calm, and avoid public anger. Saving face is important here. The Y greeting, palms together, slight bow, is a sign of respect. Dress modestly at temples, cover shoulders and knees, remove shoes, and never disrespect Buddha images. Don't touch people's heads or point your feet at sacred objects. Watch for common scams near tourist sites. Be clear on prices before accepting services. Keep valuables secure and avoid flashing cash or jewelry. Tipping isn't required but is appreciated for good service. A little cultural awareness and caution go a long way. Stay respectful, and you'll have positive, memorable interactions. Staying healthy is key to enjoying Thailand. Don't drink tap water. Stick to sealed bottled water. Street food is safe at busy stalls with high turnover. Trust your instincts. Use hand sanitizer before eating. Mosquitoes can carry dengue. Use repellent. Wear long clothes. And check for nets. The sun is intense. Hydrate, wear a hat and sunglasses, and use high SPF sunscreen. Dehydration and sunburn can ruin your trip. Prevention is easy. Take these simple steps, and you'll stay energized and ready for adventure. Health basics matter more than you think. Enjoy every moment. Don't let illness slow you down. Here's the ultimate budget hack. Travel during Thailand's green season, when the country transforms into a vibrant paradise and your wallet gets a break. Most travelers flock here in high season, from November to February, chasing perfect weather. But that's also when prices skyrocket and crowds fill every beach, market, and temple. The green season from May to October gets a bad rap for rain, but in reality, it's mostly short, refreshing afternoon showers that quickly pass, leaving the air crisp and cool. The rest of the day is often filled with sunshine, and the rain brings a welcome break from the heat, making outdoor adventures even more enjoyable. Hotels and flights can be 30–50% cheaper, and you'll find yourself wandering nearly empty beaches, tranquil temple grounds, and peaceful resorts. No crowds, no lines, just pure relaxation. The landscape is at its most lush and beautiful. Waterfalls thunder with fresh rain, rice paddies shimmer in emerald hues, and jungles burst with life and color. For photographers and nature lovers, it's a dream come true. Every view is more vibrant, every photo more striking, and every moment feels special. You'll experience a more authentic, peaceful Thailand. connecting with locals, witnessing traditional ceremonies, and exploring markets without the tourist rush. Don't let a little rain scare you away. Instead, embrace it for the savings, the solitude, and the chance to see Thailand in a way most travelers never do. Traveling smart means discovering the country at its most magical, while spending less and getting more out of every experience. This is how you unlock a truly unique adventure, one that's off the beaten path and full of surprises. Be bold, go green, and discover the real Thailand, where every day brings new beauty and every journey feels like your own secret discovery. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Thailand's hidden gems and travel hacks. If you crave more inspiration, practical tips, and immersive adventures, you're in the right place. Like, comment, and subscribe for more guides that help you plan your next escape. Satsubiberd Niner Bonbury Asadei Satsudei Satchadei or Batsuri. Simply enjoy the ride from home. Safe travels, and see you in the next adventure.